Ta-da! Look at that! Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. 안녕하세요, 조한빛입니다. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing hot cafe mocha. Cafe mocha is essentially cafe latte with note of chocolate. Hope you've watched my previous upload on how to make the iced cafe mocha, because today I'm going to show you how to make the hot version. The iced version and the hot version are very similar, but slightly different in terms of how to make it. Right, I'll go over the ingredients. First of all, this is coffee, so you need good quality espresso. With cafe mocha, I prefer espresso that's slightly nutty with a bit more body. And next up is obviously the chocolate. And I'm going to use Ghirardelli's chocolate sauce, and it's great for this purpose. It's delicious. And finally, there's a secret ingredient just like the iced cafe mocha, and that is the hazelnut syrup. Alternatively, you can use almond syrup as well, but the whole point is that you're going to add a bit of nuttiness to this cafe mocha. Obviously, for a cafe mocha, the chocolate should be dominant and the hazelnut or the almond syrup should play a supporting role. So I'm just going to add a dash of hazelnut syrup to my cafe mocha. First, I'm going to pour my hazelnut syrup and chocolate sauce into the espresso glass so that I'm going to extract my espresso straight into it. That way, it's easier to mix all of them together. Great, now I'm going to go and extract the espresso straight into this glass. Great, so now I'm going to mix this well. I'm now going to go and steam my milk. I'm going to aim for a nice velvety foam. Great, I've steamed my milk, so I'm going to pour it in and then pour the espresso mixture on top. I know that the order is different from the traditional method, but you're going to see why I'm doing that. Going to place some foam on top to hide this. And now you're going to see why I've switched the usual order and pour the espresso mixture at the very end. And that's because I'm going to use a coffee stencil. I've custom made it so that I've got my logo here, and I'm going to dust some cocoa powder on top. Ta-da! Look at that. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, that is so good. The espresso, chocolate, and hazelnut, they work so well together. It is delicious. Hope you've enjoyed this hot cafe mocha tutorial. It's delicious. Espresso with chocolate and a hint of hazelnut. It just has to be good. I think this is an amazing drink, so please try it and enjoy it. I'll come back with another amazing beverage recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.